Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again, DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Kshitij and I make DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos here on my channel. This is my first video for fall 2022 and I'm super excited to share 4 industrial farmhouse DIYs that are fall inspired. So let's begin with DIY number 1. For the first DIY, I'm making a Hello Autumn sign, and to start with the DIY, I have taken some air dry clay. I'm going to use different kind of elements to make all these industrial farmhouse DIYs, and material like lots of metal, wood, clay. So starting with the first DIY, I have taken a silicone mold in the shape of pumpkins, and I'm going to put some air dry clay into it and make a clay pumpkin out of it. I'm going to press it nicely so that I get those nice ridges that are there on pumpkins, and I'm going to smoothen up everything really nicely, and then I'm going to gently take out the clay pumpkin from the mold like so. The surface of the pumpkin has some cracks, but that is absolutely fine because I wanted a little bit of a rough and withered kind of look to the pumpkin, which is generally found on old pumpkins. And next I'm going to use another mold and cast out some flowers out of it, and I'm going to color these flowers along with the pumpkin after they are completely dry. You can see how cute these little sunflowers are looking. I made 3 sunflowers and I'm going to let these sunflowers dry, and meanwhile I'm going to cut this autumn sign from with the help of my Crooked Joy. This template is a SVG file that I downloaded from the internet for free, and I'm using my Crooked Joy to cut it out. Next, with the help of a transfer tape, I'm going to apply the sign on a galvanized plate that I have over here, and I'm going to make an autumn vibes sign over here. And here you can see very gently I'm just peeling off the transfer tapes, and you can see how the autumn vibes sign is looking. This galvanized plate already came with a metal chain, so I'm just going to use that key ring and I'm going to put it inside the plate like so, and this is going to help me to hang the sign. After my clay pumpkin and flowers are completely dry, I'm doing a coat of acrylic paint on them, and for that I have used acrylic paint in the color orange and yellow. I've mixed the two colors and colored the pumpkin, and brown color for the stalk, and also the flowers, that is the sunflower, I'm going to color them with the help of yellow and brown acrylic paint. Using hot glue gun, I'm going to glue the pumpkin and the flowers onto this galvanized plate like so. To give the edges of my metal plate a little bit of more definition, I'm going to use black and brown acrylic paint, and I'm defining the edges very roughly. There's like no sharp lines used. And yes, my first DIY is complete and it speaks of autumn. Let me know how you like this. Today I'm participating in the Room by Room Fall Industrial Farmhouse DIY Challenge, and it is hosted by Devin from the channel Freckled Mom DIY. Devin is amazing creator. Do check out her channel in the description box below, and along with that check out the playlist of the other creators as well. Moving on to DIY number 2, I wanted to add a metallic touch to pumpkins, and so I'm creating a gold leaf pumpkin. To create these gold leaf pumpkins, I have taken a styrofoam pumpkin, and these are really small in shape, and this is what I wanted, really cute pumpkins. So these already have ridges inside them, so I'm just going to put Mod Podge glue on top of them with the help of a brush, and I'm going to just stick gold leaf. You can see how I'm doing it. Gold leaf is very thin, and it tends to stick on to whatever surface it gets in comes in contact with. So I'm with a very light finger, I'm just trying to stick the gold leaf onto the pumpkin, and the Mod Podge does the rest of the work. With the help of a brush, I'm going to scrape off excess of the gold leaf. So with a very light hand, I am brushing off the excess of the gold leaf from the pumpkin, and I want a rather rough finish and not a entirely covered gold pumpkin over here. I want to have the white and the gold finish together. And next I have taken this wooden chair, and I'm going to glue some hydrangea flowers. These flowers are in a pale color, so I think this will go with the neutral look that I want for this current piece that I'm making. And I'm gluing these hydrangea flowers with the help of hot glue. Next I'm going to glue these two gold leaf pumpkins onto the chair on one side of the wooden chair. And also I had these scrabble blocks, and I'm going to glue these blocks and spell the words, that is fall vibes. And this is my centerpiece. You can use it as a centerpiece or as a fall decor, or as a table decor, and I think it creates a great vignette. Do let me know how you like this DIY. I think the gold leaf pumpkins look gorgeous. For DIY number 3, I'm using this metal bird house. It's a kind of a metal house, and I'm just going to make a little bird cage, or cage for pumpkins, a little nest for the pumpkins. And I have colored these maple leaves in the colors of silver and bronze, and some I have just spray painted with gold metallic paint, and I'm going to glue them on top so as to make the little roof of the little house. And then I'm going to put some moss underneath, and I'm going to glue my two little pumpkins inside, and a little metallic nest for my pumpkins is ready. It looks really cute, exuberates fall vibes, and I'm going to hang this on my mood board to give all those required fall vibes to me. So this little pumpkin house is going on my mood board, and along with the magnets and my to-do list, this is going to stay there until fall and give me all the desired fall vibes that I need. For DIY number 4, I'm making a fall vignette, and for that I took a wire basket and also a galvanized planter, and I filled it up with white rocks. Next I'm going to take some fall leaves, and I'm going to just place them one by one inside the basket, just very randomly. I'm not gluing them because I would want to change the look of them every once in a while, how they turn out. I'm just going to just eyeball the entire thing, so that's why I'm just pushing them inside the wire basket until I am very happy with the entire look of these leaves, how they look on my basket. Next, I'm taking this big orange pumpkin. I am going to place it on top of this metallic planter that I have kept, and I'm going to just complete the entire look with a red candle. And my very beautiful, very simple, very easy to make fall vignette is ready. It looks great as a coffee table decor, and it can just spruce up and enlighten any corner of your house. I think it looks gorgeous. That's it for today's DIYs. I hope you enjoyed watching all the four of them, and do let me know in the comment section below which out of the four was your favorite and which one are you going to try at your home. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching today's video, and please subscribe to my channel for more fun DIYs. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.